LG's recalled thousands of electric ranges due to potential safety hazards. Not the only brand with issues. I'm Steve Sheinkopf. I have over 30 years in just appliance service alone. In this video, we'll break down the details of the LG recall and explain what you should do if you own any electric slide-in or really any range. The LG recall involves 500,000 electric ranges manufactured between 2015 and 2025. I've been through many recalls at Yale. This one, the solution's a bit odd. Okay, very odd. However, you need to know that this problem isn't exclusive to LG. It's a problem with any electric range that has front-mounted controls, regardless of the manufacturer, or even gas ranges, I recently discovered. According to the Consumer Product Safety Commission, there have been 86 reports of unintentional activation, meaning people accidentally turn the burners on. These incidents have led to 28 fires, with 5 causing extensive damage totaling over $340,000. There have also been 8 minor injuries and tragically 3 pet deaths. So how'd this happen? On these LG ranges, the controls are located in the front, making it easy for you, or heaven forbid your child, to actually turn on the burners. But here's the interesting part. LG's gas and induction ranges have the same front-mounted controls. They weren't even included in the recall. I'll explain why a bit later. You would think a recall would mean a truck showing up at your house, hauling away the recalled unit, replacing it with a brand new one. I can only remember that happening once, back in 1988, when GE compressors completely failed on their new refrigerators. Fast forward to 2025, and here's what the LG recall actually looks like. You call LG and they send you a free warning sticker with instructions on where to place it. Yep, the recall is a sticker. The problem isn't the range itself, it's the placement of the controls, almost exclusively on electric ranges. With an electric range, you can accidentally turn it on and the burner won't glow immediately. It takes about a minute before you even realize it's heating up. Now, before we grab our pitchforks and torches against LG, let's take a step back. They're not the only company facing recall issues. Samsung joined the recall club in August 2024 with over 1.1 million electric slide-in ranges. The culprit? Front-mounted knobs, the same issue as LG. They could be accidentally turned on, leading to injuries and property damage. Frigidaire and Kenmore had their moment in May of 2024. They recalled more than 200,000 electric ranges after receiving at least 200 reports of ranges turning on by themselves, refusing to turn off, heating to incorrect temperatures. These malfunctions resulted in 14 fires and 8 injuries. There's no recall on gas ranges because when you turn them on, you see the flame. There's no guessing whether it's active. Accidental activation is also extremely unlikely for induction ranges because induction burners only heat when a metal pot is placed on them. No pot, no heat. Magnets and induction simply won't turn on without metal. First, you can reduce your risk by choosing a gas or induction range. If you already have an electric range, switch of induction is the more cost-effective option since you won't have to run a gas line. Another option is to buy a freestanding range with controls in the back instead of a slide-in model with front-mounted controls. But the best way to protect yourself and your home is to turn off the range before leaving the room and keeping the stovetop clear when it's not in use. These habits may seem small, but they can make a big difference in preventing accidents. You have other options, but if you own an LG front control range, don't panic. Just be mindful, take precautions, and stay safe. If you own an electric range, especially an LG model, please share this video with anyone you know it could prevent a serious accident. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to know more about the most reliable electric range brands for this year. Click here and thanks for watching.